So I kicked the furnace on. Let's see what happens. Without the new motherboard in yet. We're going to do that tomorrow, so. Clicked on. And it kicked off. It's kicking on again, second cycle. Kicked off again, third cycle. Gear fire up. And shuts off again. And that's pretty much what it does. So I have a new motherboard coming tomorrow. I know it works because it works all the on and off all the time. So that is the Atwood furnace update. It's 8351, I believe. And tomorrow, with the new board in, it'll work on every time. So yeah, I've had this issue. I don't know if anybody else has had this issue. I'll probably make a video tomorrow about how to replace the motherboard. It's really just basically, it's a replacement board I got on Amazon for like $80-something, and then the ship was like $14 overnight. I mean, it's been chilly a few times and it's worked, and then there's been other nights when it was chilly in the spring, and then it just stopped working. Not the sail switch, it's not the igniter. It's fine, it's just the board. There was a water leak over in that area, so it works when it wants to, but I want to make sure that it works every time. So that is the problem with the furnace, and it's going to be fixed tomorrow when I get the part in. So that's the update.